how to fix search not working on TikTok. So go directly to your TikTok application. Now here you will be directed to your home page. Now on your home page on the upper right, you will see a search icon there. Now as you can see, your search button is not there, or if your search, you cannot search anything to your TikTok, then all you have to do is to actually clear cache your application or your TikTok application. And to do that, go to your settings, go to your application, depending on what device you use. Just go for iPhones, go to general, go to iPhone storage, and here go to TikTok. Just find TikTok there. Here, and then tap on offload the application and then reinstall the application. Or for Android, you can actually clear cache the data that you have on your TikTok and go back to your TikTok application. Now, if it's still not working, you can now try go to your App Store or your Play Store, depending on your device. Then just search there your TikTok here. And then if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my TikTok application is updated. Now, if it's still not working, you can try to really uninstall the application, to delete the application, and then install it again to your App Store or your Play Store, and restart your iPhone or your phone. And basically that is how you fix search not working on TikTok. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.